guys, we're unboxing a color changing Barbie that might be a mermaid Barbie, but remember the last time we did another color changing Barbie? It was so awesome. And let's see what's on the package and see what's all in here. Hi guys, welcome to Aubrey's Wacky Princess videos, and this is like a new thing, like when I do videos. So there is going to be, she changes. There's going to be different earrings, there's going to be different shoes, a different skirt, and a different brush to brush her. And let's start opening. I already opened it. I'm really good at opening these Barbies. There we go. We got the top open. Let's put it right here. Now let's get everything out. This is where you put all the water. So first let's open the Barbie. Barbie is a different color. This is so weird. Oh! So this is the Barbie I got. I got this girl, I don't know her name, but I got that girl, and it says over here. Okay, I don't know. Let's start out. Let's keep opening though. Okay, wait, we're gonna open the green one first. We got purple shoes. Cute. Okay, let's open this one. We got in here earrings. These are little hearts. Let's open this one. It looks pretty big. Oh, this is a clothing. We got the skirt. There's a little pocket there. This is the last bag we got in here. We got a brush. The heart brush, and we got a little in here. It says pull out the Barbie, which we already did. And fill it up to like hot. And put it like up to the line that's on the bottle, and then put the Barbie inside, and then put everything else, and then put everything in the package, and then to change, and then everything to change, and then you put hot water, it will be a lighter color, and you put cold water, it will be a darker color. So let's fill the bottle up with water first. Now let's go ahead and fill up the water. Oh! Is this Now let's go ahead and put the Barbie in. We're supposed to put the feet first, and then the head. Now this picture. Wait. Oh, the hair's changed. Good. The hair is changed. It's really hot though. Now I'm gonna take her out. Okay, now I'm gonna dry her. Very good. While she is drying, let's wait. And let's watch the other video we did with the other Barbie changing video. Starting now. Yeah, she has purple legs now and purple hair. Now we dry her off. Okay, good. This is a close-up of the Barbie dress. Now my Barbie is all dry. Now you can see her purple glittery leg. It's like a mermaid tail. There's glittery balloon down here. And her hair, the pink piece of the hair changes color when you put the hair inside. Look. So see this part, this is light and this one is dark. That's so weird, isn't it? So let's put on the accessories that came with it. First the skirt. So it's this way. There's no pocket. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now she has her skirt on. Let's put on her earrings. Okay, now her earrings are in. Look. Now let's put on the shoes. It's pretty easy to put on the shoes. So this is what she looks like with everything on her. And here's the brush to brush her hair. It also even says Barbie. Okay. I like her makeup. There's glitter on it. And I like this because it has glitter all over it. This is so cute. I just like this pink part. These are my favorite. Mermaids are my favorite. I can swim. And the shoes are so cute. Look, it even has glitter on it. Let's go on to the hair. The hair is so cute. It changes color when it goes into water. See? That part I put in water, and this part did it. So it really color changes. Here comes the close-up again without the brushing. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Please comment below if you want another